Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n ds. We have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and then I will put about c. Now we can apply the formula in here, and now I will put the bounds from number 1 to number 5. So we have the final answer in here. So I will put number 5 in here and number 1 in here. So we calculate about this one. We have negative 112 over 3. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.